Hello, my name is Jimmy from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to build my Krennic command shuttle from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. Before we get into building it, let's let that intro roll and we'll get started, shall we? Let's! Alrighty, so here we are, and here it is, my Krennic command shuttle. Now, if you've seen my mock spotlight, which I would highly recommend if you have not seen it, this looks a little different than the original version. That is because before actually filming this, I decided to do a quick revamp of this and actually add some detailing on here, which you'll see more in depth as we build this. But yeah, I added a little bit of detailing, not much, and plus it actually helps structurally support the build. But yeah, so without further ado, let's take a look at the views and we'll get started, shall we? Let's. Here's the front view, the back view, left view, right view, bottom view, and of course the top view. So, without further ado, let's get started with this, shall we? Let's. Alrighty, so what we're first going to need is a plate 4x6. Then, step 2, we will need 4 1x2s with the hinge draw plates and a 2x4. Let's grab a 2x4 and a modified. Way past it. 1, 2, 4. Now, if you see here, as I added parts in here, you will be seeing in here, parts will be appearing in here. Just, you can be able to use that to help you find anything that, if you get stuck at any point, you can be able to use it to help you at any point. And now we're going to need 1x2 clip joints. Here, here, and of course here. Now we're going to need a 2x2, I forget what type of, double convex slope, double convex, and a 2x2 slope. Now we need the 2x2s. Go one here and one here. And that's what that should look like. Not bad if I do say so myself. So far. Okay, so step 4. We're going to need a 1x2 slopes, a 1x1 cheese slope, and a 2x2 slope piece. The 2x2 slope on that one, and then we'll need this and this, and I probably have this one wrong, so you want them looking like that. Alrighty, that's what we want so far. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so we're going to need, I believe, a plate under here. Am I right? Okay, well, only one plate, but okay, we'll need a brick modified 1x2 studs on one side, a 2x4 brick, plate 1x2, and 2 slopes. Cheese slopes, alright. We'll need a brick. Two by two. Modified brick, 2x2, plate, 2x2. Then we'll need trans black, slope, 1 and 2. And that's what that should look like so far. Okay, we'll need a plate, 1x2, 2x2, and 4 1x2s with 1 stud on them. And that's what that should look like so far. Okay, so we're going to need 3 1x1 bricks, a slope 1x2 by 3, and a plate 1x2. I kind of just wanted to make sure we can kind of keep this moving along. There, and then we'll need a plate 1x2. And that's what we have so far for the body. We're almost done with the body, and then we're going to be on to the wings. We just need a 2 plate 1x2, and that is a trans medium blue, which we're going to do light blue because that makes more sense here. I cramped it right. Like that. And that's basically the body. Oh no, wait, we're almost over the body. Okay, so we need clips 1x1 and a 1x1 cheese slope. These are the landing gear if you don't know. Now, you can rotate this up if you're building it into the flight mode, but I'm building this in its landed mode, so you are going to be having them in the down mode. You just have to rotate them up to the point where they stop, alright? Although it's going to be kind of sticking out on the body, I kind of don't care about that. So we're going to have 2 clips. I mean, 4 clips, really. And you can kind of guess where they're going to go. Yeah, this is a little bit of an assembly here, I'm not going to lie. This has got a build to it. Now, what I am going to do is, instead of building it like this, hang on, wait, let me make my life a little easier. So that way you can be able to see it a lot easier, even especially when I get to the wing, to the top of the wing. I'm building it like that, and then we're going to fold them up, alright? Now we're going to need plate 2x3 and the wing assembly, which is a 1x3, 3x12, and a 1x12. This would go right here and here. A 1x12 goes here and here. Slope, no wait, round cut plate. We need a 3x12 and another 3x12. And that's what that should look like so far. Yeah, I'm building it like this, but I'm kind of copying it off of here, but I'm making it a little easier for us to follow. Okay, now we need four 2x4s. One, two, two. Okay, so I can see into there. We're gonna need. Okay, I'll open this up. We'll need 4 girl plates and 2 1x2 tile plates. So first, we're gonna grab the tile plates. One will go here, and one will go here. And then we need to go to modified. And we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2. Like that. That's what that should look like so far. Now here we're going to need 4x2x4s for both sides. Pretty much just going up this side right here and this side as well. And then on the last step, we will need plate 1x4 and a plate 1x2 in dark gray. And there, and then we're going to need dark gray, dark bluish gray, I should really say. One will go here, and one will go here. So that's what the wings should look like. And now I'm going to hinge these up. Nope, wrong one. And there we go. Krennic's Command Shuttle in from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it. So yeah, this is Danny from DKBrickStudios signing off. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below what you would like me to build next. I will be happy to build that for you all. Also, check out my friend's novel Rise. That is linked in the description down below. I would highly recommend it. And yeah, please remember this is Danny from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember the Force and the Force Brothers be with you always. I'll see you on the next video.
Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings.